Everyone talks about fasting, but what if I told you most people never actually reach the part that really matters? They stop just minutes before the body switches into autophagy fasting mode, the natural system of cellular detox that cleanses, renews, and regenerates from the inside out. It's like running a marathon and stopping right at the finish line without crossing it. The truth is, the body doesn't enter ketosis and fat burning right away. It needs time, stillness, and balance, and every minute counts. Studies show that understanding when this happens completely changes the results. And the most curious part, this moment is different for everyone, and almost no one knows their own. In this video, you'll discover the exact signs that show when autophagy begins. You'll understand why some people experience intermittent fasting benefits faster than others, and most importantly, how to align your biological rhythm to naturally activate the power of longevity and aging. Most people believe they're doing everything right, but they stop before autophagy fasting even begins. It's like taking a cake out of the oven while the center is still raw. That's the exact moment when the body would activate its cellular detox mode, and almost no one reaches it. Imagine Ethan, 40 years old, who practiced intermittent fasting religiously. He felt fine, but never reached that mental clarity everyone talked about. The mistake was breaking his fast at 2 p.m., right before ketosis and fat burning kicked in. Think about that. So much effort interrupted just minutes before the biological shift. The body doesn't follow the human clock. It follows its own inner wisdom. While hunger rises, it's actually preparing for something greater, to recycle and cleanse itself. Studies in the Journal of Cell Biology show this process supports longevity and aging. Stopping too early is like turning off the engine before reaching full speed. The secret lies in holding on just a little longer, minutes that make all the difference. Every extra minute is an investment in energy, clarity, and true balance. Few cross this invisible threshold, many stop right before the curve. But what if there were a way to know exactly when it begins? Think of the body as a house. Over time, dust, broken objects, and waste pile up in every corner. Autophagy fasting is the body's internal cleaning service that works on its own. It breaks down and recycles damaged cellular parts, creating a true cellular detox. This process isn't a trend, it's proven biology. The Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in 2016 for demonstrating this. He showed that autophagy fasting is essential for cellular balance. It's the mechanism that prevents the body from living in an invisible toxic buildup. During fasting, the body enters ketosis and fat burning, and that's when the magic begins. Old cells become fuel, energy is renewed, and the mind grows clearer. Studies suggest this process is also linked to healthy longevity and aging. It's not about not eating, it's about allowing the body to restore itself. It's fascinating how something so natural has been forgotten by modern life. Eating all the time has become the norm, and the body never enters repair mode. But understanding this changes everything. It changes how we see our own metabolism. And the most interesting part is discovering when this deep cleaning truly begins. The body doesn't enter autophagy fasting all at once. It moves through phases like an engine warming up before reaching full power. During the first 12 to 16 hours, the body uses stored glycogen, the quick fuel. It's the awakening of the system, the beginning of the transition into cellular detox mode. Between 16 and 24 hours, the game changes. Glucose runs out, and ketosis and fat burning start to take hold. That's when the body begins using fat for energy, and autophagy gains strength. You feel focused, clear, and surprisingly stable without hunger. From 24 to 48 hours, the process reaches its peak. It's the so-called efficiency peak. Full cellular recycling and an awakened mind, the brain releases BDNF, a substance linked to neuron protection and memory. Studies associate this state with metabolic balance and longevity and aging. Going beyond 48 hours is advanced territory and requires preparation and awareness. Autophagy fasting remains active, but the body needs support and rest. Each person reacts differently, with genetics, age, and experience playing a role. And that's where a natural question arises. Why do some people enter faster than others? There's no universal clock for autophagy fasting. Every body has its own rhythm, like engines with different power levels. Some work like a Ferrari, accelerating quickly. Others are more like an economy car. They get there too, but take a bit longer. The first factor is basal metabolism. The more active it is, the faster the process begins. People who exercise regularly tend to enter ketosis and fat burning sooner. Those with a sedentary lifestyle need more fasting hours. The good news is that the body learns. Each practice improves efficiency. Diet also plays a major role. Carb-rich diets delay the entry into cellular detox mode. On the other hand, low-carb or ketogenic patterns speed up the process. Studies show that lowering glucose and insulin levels makes it easier for autophagy to start. Age, hormones, and experience complete the picture. Younger and more adapted bodies respond with greater speed and ease. More mature ones may need adjustments, and patience becomes part of the wisdom. After all, understanding your own rhythm is what allows you to achieve the best results. The first clue is mental. When autophagy fasting activates, the brain shifts gears. A remarkable clarity appears, thoughts flow easily, and focus intensifies. It's as if someone had wiped the glass of the mind, making everything clearer. The second sign comes from the body. The breath changes. A slight metallic or acetone-like taste is common at this stage. It's the chemical result of ketosis and fat burning, living proof that the body is using fat as energy and beginning a powerful cellular detox. Another curious symptom is that hunger disappears, but energy doesn't. You feel stable, light, and productive for hours without needing to eat. Studies from Nature Metabolism show that this state enhances focus and mood. It's when the body feeds on itself, but in an intelligent and selective way. These signs vary, yet they form a fascinating pattern. Each body speaks in its own language, and learning to listen is part of the process. Recognizing this moment changes everything, because you realize your body is working for you. But there are pitfalls that can shut this process down too soon. Most people lose the benefits of autophagy fasting simply by getting distracted. A small coffee with milk, for example, can interrupt the process. The same goes for artificial sweeteners, which trigger insulin spikes. And when insulin rises, the body instantly leaves cellular detox mode. Another silent enemy is stress. High cortisol acts as a chemical brake on autophagy. That's why even people who fast correctly may not see results. Deep breathing, short breaks, and good sleep help counter this effect. Many also make mistakes when breaking the fast. Eating too much after hours of intermittent fasting cancels out most of the benefits. Instead of rebuilding with balance, the body goes into overload. The key is to reintroduce food gently with proteins, avocado, vegetables, and calm. Then there's the opposite problem, fasting too long thinking that more is better. The body needs to rebuild after cleansing, otherwise it loses muscle and hormonal balance. Studies show that excess fasting can harm healthy longevity and aging. The secret is knowing when to stop, and that wisdom comes with experience. Knowing is great, but applying transforms. The best way to start is with the basics, the well-known 16-8 protocol. Give your body 16 hours to rest and 8 hours to eat nourishing food. It's simple, safe, and perfect for allowing the body to begin autophagy fasting naturally. After a few weeks, the body adapts. Energy increases, sleep improves, and focus becomes steady. From there, you can experiment with 20 to 24-hour fasts once a week. This deepens cellular detox and strengthens ketosis and fat burning. Those who already master the process can go further. Protocols of 48 to 72 hours require preparation and professional guidance. During this period, the body reaches higher levels of cellular renewal. Studies show this can support balanced longevity and aging. Regardless of your level, some pillars never change: constant hydration, quality sleep, mental calm, and body awareness. Fasting isn't a competition, it's biological self-knowledge. And there are ways to keep stimulating autophagy even on rest days. Not every day needs to be a fasting day to keep autophagy fasting active. The body responds to certain stimuli that mimic the same biological effect. Intense exercise, for example, raises growth hormone levels and activates cellular repair. A short run, a HIIT workout, or a brisk walk can already trigger this response. Another powerful method is thermal contrast. Exposure to heat, such as in saunas, stimulates heat shock proteins. Cold exposure, like ice baths, supports cellular detox and reduces inflammation. Both stimuli create metabolic adaptations linked to longevity and aging. Food is also a silent tool. Green tea, turmeric, and resveratrol are natural compounds that mimic fasting. They promote ketosis and fat burning and extend the effects of autophagy. Studies suggest that small insulin drops throughout the day help keep the process active. These strategies allow the body to keep renewing itself even while fed. It's like leaving the internal cleaning system on automatic mode without constant effort. On rest days, they help maintain metabolic intelligence working in your favor. And it's precisely this consistency that connects autophagy to healthy aging. The more we understand autophagy fasting, the more it reveals itself as a bridge to time. A body that cleans itself from within ages more slowly. It's that simple. Studies from Nature Aging show that cells that practice this kind of recycling live better. Less inflammation, more energy, and a metabolism that works intelligently. Cellular detox isn't just about aesthetics, it's deep protection. By eliminating toxins and rebuilding damaged structures, the body renews its DNA. This reduces the risk of mutations and preserves mitochondrial health. It's literally internal rejuvenation, fully supported by science. Metabolically flexible people maintain greater vitality as the years pass. They alternate fasting, movement, and nutrition naturally. This flexibility is what sustains balanced ketosis and fat burning. It's also what separates aging well from merely surviving with age. That's why longevity and aging depend not only on genetics, but on habits. Autophagy is like a biological reset button, subtle yet constant. When you learn how to activate it, you begin to age with purpose and clarity. But there's something even deeper, understanding that fasting is a return to our human origins. Autophagy fasting isn't a modern invention, it's genetic memory. Our ancestors fasted out of necessity, and the body learned to thrive on it. Eating all the time is a recent habit, not a natural one. Fasting is simply a return to the biological logic that has always guided longevity and aging. For centuries, humans alternated between abundance and scarcity. With wisdom, that rhythm kept metabolism in harmony and the body resilient. Today, reclaiming it is more than discipline. It's a reconnection with instinct. It's allowing cellular detox to happen as part of life's natural cycle. Did you enjoy what you learned today? Save this video to revisit whenever you need motivation. And if you want to keep learning about cellular detox, intermittent fasting benefits, and longevity and aging, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos in this series. Because the right knowledge, applied at the right time, changes everything. This content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Results may vary. Always consult a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet or training routine. When you fast consciously, you activate a silent dialogue with your body. It knows when to clean and when to rebuild. You just have to listen to its signals. Modern science has only confirmed what the body has known for millennia. That natural balance is what sustains healthy ketosis and fat burning. In the end, it's not about going without food. It's about giving your body the space to do what it was born to do, to cleanse, renew, and flourish. That's the true power of autophagy fasting, the power to start over.